First of all, hats off to Deepali for the efforts and the energy she put to this training. It was not easy, it was a large number and there were like Wi-Fi connection issues, but still her persistence and the patience and to make everyone register on the platform to post products, and the way she conducted it with a smile is appreciated as a trainer. That is very important. So that's why I say hats off to her. Apart from it, I want to thank great good work done by UNSCAP. This is an important thing for the participants. I realized, I saw people learning and going beyond. It's a good thing. Maybe next time you can add a little bit of marketing side of it and the packaging and how people can make the products. Also, better looking, the post, better view picture for the platform will also be good. But great job. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arundhati.